A survey was done by Consumer Finance, and the number one answer was still homeownership is the number one American dream that everybody seeks here in America. So let's go ahead and unpack that in today's updates. Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38, and market update, we always start with what's active, 386. Of course, January 2nd is always the floor. We'll continue to go up as we go into February, March, and April, all the way to about May and June. At the same time, 237 pending. So the pending column has dropped quite a bit because there's nothing to sell. But there's still a lot of activity. We just had an open house for one of our listings in Blossom Valley, and we actually averaged over 60 people at the open house. That is an insane amount of buyers that are actually in the market, and there's nothing to buy. So there's a survey of Consumer Finance, and they do it every 3 years. And the number one thing that all Americans want is to own a home. So I'm getting a lot of feedback. Zaid, it's so expensive. Prices have gone up. Interest rates have gone up. It is actually cheaper to rent a home than to own a home. In a lot of cases, by the way, this is the longest stretch of rental cost to ownership cost has ever been. But yet, we're still seeing 50, 60, and 70 people at the open house. People are still wanting to buy a home. If you're sitting on the sideline, if you're thinking about selling and you don't know if this is the right time, this is it. This is all the signal that I can actually give you to say this is a great market for you to list your home, whether it's an investment property or this is your owner occupied, you want to move up, move down, whatever your needs are, feel free to reach out. We'll be here to guide you through this process. 408-515-1613. Bye-bye now.